Hey guys, we're back for another video here, and we're down at Energy Powersports checking out some of the new Sea-Doo models that we got going on right now. Right in front of me now we have the RXT-X 300 in an incredible yellow. Guys, you won't even believe until you see it, right? Beautiful looking Sea-Doo. Got the sound system built into it, a larger display to it, same storage as the GTX, so like that. Nice looking handlebars to it as well. Cool looking seat with the new design on it. Comes with the footwells, so a slide mounted footwell give you a little bit more stability when you're in the corners and stuff like that. Got a bit of an extended deck to it now, kind of more like the GTX. You have your link system on it now as well, so you can take it out for trips and stuff. So just an absolute beautiful looking machine. So definitely think this is one that is up there on how it looks, how it performs. Comes with the sound system to it, so I mean guys, not a bad unit. Throw the specs into it and you can check that out in a bit as well. All right, until the next one, be safe out there. Peace.
Bye.